milled to titanium bars. This one is the lower jaw, this one is upper. The lower is all on 5 implants. 1 2 3 4 5 5 implants. We are given cantilever. If you are going for single piece multi-unit implant, you can give this kind of cantilever. This is upper jaw. Okay, these both are pterygoids. You can see the angulation buccally tilted. This is the midline implant. This is canine buttress. This is this side canine buttress. This is the middle implant. So if we carefully observe the between pterygoid and this canine implant, there is a long inter-implant distance. Since we are going for titanium stabilization with the titanium bar and using multi-unit implants, this is not an issue. This will work nicely. So this is the underside of the bar. So we can observe the milled quality of the milled titanium bar. It is super polished. That's it.